Today I am going to discuss on the topic Bezier curve. Bezier curve has few properties. Let us take a short review on these properties. The first one is it is an approximate spline curve. What is an approximate spline curve? For understanding this, let us take a simple example. In this diagram, there are few control points. These points are known as control points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. This figure has 7 points, or we can say that 7 control points. If a curve is made that doesn't contains all the control points, then that curve is known as approximate spline curve. The next point is it contains the Bernstein polynomial function or the Bezier polynomial function. And the next point is it uses only the control points, means the curve is made by the help of the control points. To understand this, let us take an example for 3 points. Let us take 3 points, point number 1, point number 2 and point number 3. And this curve is made by the help of these 3 points, this starting point and this ending point. And this curve doesn't contains the intermediate point, means this curve does not contains all the control points. For example, let us take another example for 4 points. Let us take this example. This is first point, this is second point, this is third point and this is fourth point. And here also this curve is made with the help of the starting point and the ending point. It does not contain the intermediate points. So this is known as approximate spline curve. Here in this diagram we will draw the boundary with the help of these 4 points, and this polynomial boundary is known as convex L. So the curve does not go outside the polynomial boundary. Here the curve does not go outside this boundary. This boundary is known as convex L, means this curve does not go outside the convex L. Now let us see the basic function of the Bezier curve. This is the basic function of the Bezier curve. Here in this function, pi is the position vector, bin is the Bezier or the Bernstein function. If we want to represent that function with respect to s, then the function will be in the form of x of u is equal to this function, where bin is equal to nci minus multiply u to the power I dot 1 minus u to the power n minus I, where nci is equal to this function. So what is the function? We have x of u, this function, we have this function. This is the general form of the Bezier curve, the general function of the Bezier curve, that is in the form of x, that is represented in the form of x. So let us take the equation for 4 points. If we are taking the 4 points, then the number of degree, then the degree of that figure or that curve will be 3. It means if we are taking 4 points, the degree will be 3. If we are taking 3 points, the degree will be 2. If we are taking 5 points, the degree will be 4. Means degree is always minus 1 to the number of points. If so for let us take our previous equation, that is q of u, that is equal to p naught b03 of u plus p1 b13 of u plus p2 b23 of u plus p3 b33 of u. We have put the value of I, we have the general equation, we have this general equation here, equation for 4 points, that is I is equal to 0 and n is equal to 3. In case of 4 points, the degree will be 3. So n is the degree. We will start the loop from I is equal to 0 to n is equal to 3. This one will be pi. This one was pi into bin. Pi means I is equal to 0. So p0 and bin, the value of I is 0 and the value of n is 3. So b03. The next value I, for I is equal to 1. Pi will be p1. bin means b13. For I is equal to 2. pi means p2 into bin b23. For I is equal to 3. Then pi means p3, bin i3 and n3, bi3 or n3. And what is the value of bin? That is equal to nci into ui dot 1 minus u to the power n minus I. So we can compute b03 according to this formula. So we get b03 is equal to 1 minus u to the power 3. In the same way, b13, after calculating b13 we will get 3u into 1 minus u square. After calculating b23 we will get 3u square 1 minus u, and after calculating b33 we will get u cube. Now we will put the value of b03, b13, b23 and b33 in this equation, and after putting the value of these b01, b13, b23, b33 in this equation, we will get qu is equal to p0 1 minus u cube plus p1 into 3u into 1 minus u square. This 1 minus u cube is the value of b03. This 3u 1 minus u square is the value of b13. This 3u square into 1 minus u is the value of b23, and this u cube is the value of b33. And these are the pi's. Pi for I is equal to 0, p0, for I is equal to 1, p1, for I is equal to 2, p2, and for I is equal to 3, p3. So after calculating the previous equation and after putting the values of b0, b03, b13, b23 and b33 and all the values in the previous equation, we will get this equation over here. And if we want to write the equation with respect to x, y and z, then this equation will become, if we will put x in place of, if we will put x in place of q, then xu is equal to p0. In place of p, we will replace it by the help of x. Xu is equal to x0. p0 is replaced by x0, p1 is replaced by x1, p2 is replaced by x2, p3 is replaced by x3. In the same way, yu is equal to p0 is replaced by y0, p1 is replaced by y1, p2 is replaced by y2 and p3 is replaced by y3. And zu is equal to p0 is replaced by z0, p1 is replaced by z1, p2 is replaced by z2, p3 is replaced by z3, and rest the values are same.